It's dusty all in here, so clean off all your stuff. I am covered in dust. I wanna dust my stuff off. That's a topical song. Hi, I'm Morgan, and this is Morgan Reviews, the show that everybody loves but nobody watches. Today we're doing one of our last Shoppo hauls before I run out of things. Allow me to drink my beverage while you read this disclaimer. Done? Excellent. The stuff that I'm telling you about today is, surprise, makeup brushes. So these are the final brush sets that I have really loved using over the past couple of months. First item. This is a 10-piece unicorn horn brush set, and altogether with shipping it cost $6.24. I saw these from afar and I was ready to drag them. At first glance I was like, this is something you give to a child as a joke. But then I actually got them and I am impressed, everybody. I'm very impressed. So here's what you get in this set. You get a fan brush, 2 rounded blusher brushes, you get 1 blush brush and 1 contour brush. And then you have 2 flathead blush and contour brushes. And what I really like about these is that you can use them both for blending, which is what I prefer to do with the round ones, and application, especially right up near the eyes. These flat top ones are really great. This one specifically is very good for baking. Hey ladies, you don't need to worry about much already. Turn your face into a brick oven. And then for the 5 eyeshadow brushes, you basically have a solid overall set. As you can see, there are little pieces that sort of come off here and there. It's like unicorn hair and you make a wish. It's lavender and copper, and the bristles are white, they're synthetic, and they pick up color very nicely and distribute it well. A+. It's like a wand from Harry Potter. Unicorns. Next brush kit. This is a 20-piece brush kit, and altogether, with shipping included, this costs $3.11. There are 18 actual sticks that you get in the mail, but 2 of them have 2 sides. Don't be greedy. It has everything you need to do a really good job on your eyes. It is not the best quality. You're gonna get these little bristles fuzzing up on occasion. Just snip them off. It's not that big a deal. You have a number of different things you can use. You've got this, which you can use for concealer or blending or cream color over your lid. Done. Easy. Then you've got this guy, which I have used for blending concealer super well. I'm very good at makeup. And then you have these flat top round brushes, which are angled and oval. You're gonna get good coverage in blending. You've got a lot of little more precise brushes. You've got 2 sponge applicators. There's just too much here. Have you ever had a problem holding on to all your brushes? I don't have anything to fix that problem, I just really wanted to do that. The brushes are really stylishly made. They're the seafoam green with black, and yeah, so that is a very, very cool set. Brush sets 3 and 4 are oval brushes, so I'm just gonna show you what that is. This is brush set number 3. This is a 5-piece oval brush set, and altogether with shipping it costs $9.99 on the Shoppo app. Have I used them? Yes. Have I washed them? Questionable. These are sort of my life. I absolutely love these things. Comes in this and a black box, which just keeps everything nice and from getting all frayed in the mail. What's different from the next kit I'm going to show you is that this is the biggest brush that comes in this kit. It is a solid foundation brush. It is an all-over foundation face brush, which is like, finally. Check it out. Ooh. The sizes of brushes that you get are as follows. You get your foundation brush. You get your blending brush. This is for concealer. This is for eyebrows. This is my new favorite brush. I will show you how easy these are to use in a second. And then you have this little guy. What I think this is for either eyeshadow blending or for blending in foundation or concealer where these 2 guys can't. Something I've noticed about the really expensive oval brush sets that you find on YouTubers' channels that are talking about these things, because they're very, very big on YouTube, is that the very expensive ones, if you look at the shape They are flat on top. After having used this for a couple of weeks, I understand what the appeal is in that. These are too tapered to get really, really close to your eyes. So you have to follow up with a flatter brush like this or a beauty blending sponge. So do know that there is a difference in the performance of these brushes and premium brushes, but you aren't spending $60 on just this one brush if you get this set. So I have been very pleased with the quality, and this is the size selection for the $9.99 set. Okay. The fourth and final set looks very similar. This is a 6-piece oval brush set, but what's different about this one is it costs $4.59 with shipping, and it's 6 brushes instead of 5. These are the 100% same quality brushes as what I just showed you. They're the same thing. They're probably made in the exact same factory, they're just packaged differently. These do not come in a package, they just come in plastic bags. That didn't seem to hurt them. So let's talk about what this has. This is the blending brush from the other side. I would not recommend doing your entire face with foundation with one of these brushes. It would take a long time, it would be kind of stupid. You're just doing this forever and ever until the sun swallows the earth. This is a favorite size of mine, and it does not come in the other pack. This is great for contour blending. This is great for highlighter blending. I'm not very good at either one of those things. So you've got these two sizes. Next you have this. This is the size that comes in the other set. It's wonderful for blending concealer. Then again, it's got that round top, so it's not fantastic for getting right up into your lash line. You do need another tool for that. I've done that with these little round ones before. Again, this is one that comes up in the other set, and this helps to work with that. This is the only brush that I have no idea what it's for. It's super long. Maybe it's for eyeliner. It's too long to do brows with precision. Maybe it's like for really... Anyway, you've got this paddle boat thing. You can use it to stir your coffee, whatever. And then it's this small brush that I'm assuming is for brows because it's perfect for brows. This is in the other set. To show you how well and easily it works even for an idiot like me, I filmed myself doing my eyebrows earlier, so take it away, Morgan from an hour ago. I'm using Ka-Brow by Benefit. Which is annoying with the brush they include, but quite nice with this little guy. What I like about doing foundation before my brows is that when I inevitably make an insane mistake, like let's say I go, whoop, I just go, ha 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 ha, that was delightful. And I think, dang, I think that's all. If you liked this video, hey, click like, click subscribe. It's free information, which is so different than the rest of the internet. If you want to know about the Shoppo app, go ahead and get it. The information is below. You can get pretty much anything in the world on there that isn't food. You can't get food on there. I would not recommend that you get food on there. And if you liked all these brushes, then the information is below there too because I care about you. Alright, well, you have a lovely day. Thanks for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.